Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started in today's video. So I'm going to show you guys the color change really quick. So it goes from a pink to a beautiful purplish blue. So if you want to see how I did that, stay tuned. Alright, so in today's video we're doing the ModelOnes polygel kit. There will be a giveaway for this kit on Instagram. It is sponsored by ModelOnes, so go check the post out on Instagram at babygirlnails with a Z. So here is the light that you get with the kit. It's got a 90-second, 60-second, and 30-second button, 21 LED lights. It's a 48-watt lamp. Here is the instruction manual for the lamp. The size is right there if you guys need to know the size. It's got a very nice long cord. Here's the polygel instruction manual. Shows you how to do the dual forms. These are my absolute favorite dual forms, and these are the ones we will be using in today's video. They have a really nice sharp curve to the nail. They have a nice C curve, plenty of room for product. Here's some more dual forms that you will get in this kit. These are the straighter ones. These also make a nice dual form nail. Just a little bit straighter, that's all. Not much of a curve. Also, you get a bunch of striping tapes. The 180 grit file. You get these little black tweezers. You get a bunch of paper forms. The brush and spatula. You get foil, gold and silver. You get 3 larger rhinestones. You get the regular crystals and the rainbow crystals. All different sizes. You get these glitters. I use the pink one. Holographic and iridescent. Get some slip solution. You get a nail primer. 15 mLs. Here's the ingredients. You get a top and base. And you get 3 polygels. Now, I did not know this was a color changer at the time. They are 30 grams. So you get a pink, you get a white, and you get a clear. The clear one we are going to feature in our clearest polygel video. Oh, and you also get these flame stickers and butterfly stickers, and they do glow in the dark, which I show you here. Really nice. You're also going to go ahead and prep your nails like you always would. I have my nail guards on. Here is my dual form that we're going to be using. That will go in the dual form playlist up above. You guys haven't saw the playlist, please check it out. It has 4 different dual forms. This will be the 5th one. And this is how you apply the dual form. You make sure it goes from one side wall to the other without touching the nail, because you want to have enough space for the product. Now this is what you don't do. You don't put it on and press down. That is a no-no. Once again, go from side to side. Plenty of room in the center for product. Alright, so let's get on with today's look. So I'm using the white and the pink. I'm going to pour some slip solution into my dish. I'm going to go in with my ModelOnes base coat and go ahead and apply that from cuticle to free edge on my natural nail. Now I am going right over the nail guards. You're going to give that a 30-second cure. Now I'm going to take the base coat again, and we're going to apply that inside the dual form. Just a thin coat. You don't need to put a whole lot in there. And that's how I'm going to apply the pink holographic glitters. Now I do this to all 5 nails. Once you have your glitter placed, give it a 10-second cure. Now, let me talk about the giveaway. ModelOnes has requested that the giveaway be on Instagram. So I do apologize if you guys do not have an Instagram. If you do not have an Instagram, I will be having more giveaways in the future. Once I get to 50K, I am going to be having the biggest giveaway this channel has ever had. So if you guys can help me get to 50K, I would really greatly appreciate that. Alright, so here's the last nail, just going in with the base again, going in with the glitters, and then freeze curing that. And I freeze cure it so that when I put the poly gel under there, it's not going to go, the glitters aren't going to go anywhere. So here we're going to do like a swirly, I don't swirl them together, but you'll see. I put the white in and then I put the pink in. Just like so. Super easy to do. And then take my brush with a little bit of slip and then go ahead, you're going to smooth that down. You want to keep the same nice C curve. You want to go up one side to the other, making sure you cover all empty spaces. And I don't go to the cuticle. I go about right there where you see me go, and then I flash cure that. Just as I do the other method. Kind of the same way. So again, I go in with the poly gel, smooth it down, make sure it still has a nice curve. You don't want it too thick, too bulky. So here we go again, putting the white and then the pink. Smoothing that down, making sure it still has that nice curve. And going a little bit further than halfway, and then doing a freeze cure. It's super, super easy. And these, like I said, are my absolutely favorite dual forms. So again, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway and you do have an Instagram, the rules will be posted on the Instagram post. On my Instagram at babygirlnails with a Z. Alright, now it's time to apply the cuticle bead. So again, you're going to go in with a small cuticle bead. You're going to smooth it side to side, making sure you cover up any of those empty spots. You don't want it too thick by the cuticle, or it will gush out everywhere. Apply it at a 45-degree angle until it touches your free edge. Make sure it's touching your nail, and then cure. And I just want to show you how the poly gel, I just wanted to show you here how the poly gel was changing colors. I thought that was so neat. Very fun. Alright, again, in with your cuticle bead, smooth it out, side to side. Go at a 45-degree angle onto your nail until it touches the free edge, and then flash cure. We'll do a full cure at the very end. I'm going to also show you guys how to add extra strength to these nails when you're doing dual forms, because what you do not want to do is put dual forms on with just one coat of polygel or one layer of polygel and then go. You don't want to do that because they will break. And I have worn dual forms long enough to know that you want to add strength. Alright, we're on to the last nail. And then you're going to do a full 60-second cure. You're going to let them cool off. And then once they are cooled, you're going to pop off the dual form. Okay. So, I pinch it side to side, pinch, 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 pull, 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 pop off. Super simple. And those dual forms can be reused over and over and over again. This one was having a little hard time because it was in my cuticle. Now I do not show my complete filing for these, but you will want to file, shape, buff them, clean around your cuticle area really good. Make sure the underside is nice and smooth and you still have that nice curve. And then also buff the shine because we will be adding builder gel on top. Alright, so I do take my clippers and clip just the very tip off to make them straight. Then you're going to go in and file, like I said, and I use the hand file first just to show you guys. This is how I would file. I would straighten the edges up first, then I would go in with my e-file and clean up the cuticle, buff the surface shine. Alright, so now after I'm done filing, I wipe everything off with acetone. I take my builder gel in a bottle. This is the Orly builder gel. And you're going to put 2 to 3 thin coats of that. Alright guys, so I only put 1 coat of the builder gel. But if you want your nails to be strong, and definitely by the apex stress area, you want to put at least, I would say, 3 coats of your builder gel over dual form nails. If you don't put more poly gel on top like I used to do. I used to not go all the way to the cuticle with a dual form. I'd go just a little further up from the cuticle, then I would fill them in with the poly gel after that. But now I'm going all the way to the cuticle and just build them up with builder gel. Once you do that, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Then you're going to top coat the underside, and that will also give them more strength. Go ahead and do a full 60-second cure on that. Now it's time to go in with the bling bling. So I'm using these 3 that they sent me in the kit, and then I'm using the rainbow ones they also sent with this kit. Again, if you guys want to enter to win this kit, you have to be on Instagram. The rules will be over again on Instagram today. That post will go up. So head on over there. Do the rules if you want to enter, and I will pick a winner, or ModelOnes will pick a winner. One of us will, and then I will ship it to you. But here we go with the gems. I use my McCart rhinestone glue to adhere them. I loved those rainbow gems. They went with this set so well. In between the gems, I would do a flash cure, and then at the end, I'll do a full cure. So what I'm doing is I'm applying my McCart rhinestone glue, going over the top of that with the ModelOnes No Wipe Top Coat. Then I'm applying the stones. It just makes it a lot easier, a lot quicker than having to go back and put the top coat on after I apply the stones. which you know me, I always make things difficult on myself. So usually I just put the rhinestones on and then I go back and put the top coat on. I did have a lot of fun with these dual forms, and I will say there are some new dual forms that just came out, and they are on AliExpress. I have ordered them, so as soon as they get here, I will do a review. They're really cool, guys. I can't wait to show you. I'm sure you guys have saw them. If you haven't, definitely go over on AliExpress and check them out because they look really promising and fun. So, as of right now, I have 4 videos in my dual form series. This is number 5. And I think this is the last, like, regular dual form that is out there right now, except for the new ones. So once those new ones come in, I'll be doing 2 more videos with those. So if there's any other dual forms you want me to use that I haven't used yet, let me know in the comment section. Leave me a link so that I can go check those out. But before you leave me a link, go check out my dual form playlist. Make sure I haven't used it, because this will be number 5, video number 5. Alright, after I put all my bling on, I go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Go in with the cuticle oil, rub it in real good, and there you go. That's it. That's the set. And in a minute, I'll show you what they look like. And this is how they turned out. There we go. And I absolutely love the way these look. I like that curve. I really like the curve in the nail. I don't know what it is. I just love it. I know some people do not like that, but I like it. So again, I'm going to be using this clear poly gel. I think I have about 8 more. I need 2 more to do 2 more videos of 5 polygels, 5 clear polygels each. So I am actually fixing to do one of those videos coming very soon. Stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think of this set. Let me know, would you wear them? Would you rock them? Let me know in the comment section down below. I think they turned out so cute. And I love the color changes on them. So especially in the summertime, you'll be rocking these and they'll be turning purple, blue, then back to pink and white. Just love it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it just as much as I did making them. Please subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss out, and give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Bye, guys.